I have two of the egg decorating kits. One is a unicorn polar whip, and this one is called Neon. Today, we're gonna go ahead and just do this one. Okay, this looks kind of hard, but I think it's manageable. It says to empty content of dry foam powder into the bowl, 1/3 of temperature water, and then we're gonna mix it using this for 3 minutes. It says to empty content of dry foam powder into the bowl, 1/3 of temperature water, and then we're gonna mix it using this for 3 minutes. Okay, so my foam is ready, and now what I need to do is put this foam on this parchment paper, or you can use a cooking sheet. I put a towel because after I spread this foam into here, I'm going to add the collars. So it said to put on my plastic gloves, which here they are. It says dip egg into foam covering the egg. Tips: use a dipping and sweeping motion to cover each side of the egg. Do not roll. Oh, that's hard. So we don't want to roll it. So now we're going to sit it aside for 5 minutes, and then we will be washing the egg with cool water to remove foam and uncover your masterpiece. So here's my finished eggs, and I'm very happy with them. They turned out really cute. It was a little messy, they get all over, so just warning you. This one's just really pink. It also comes with glitter and blue. That way you can add that to your eggs. And I will be doing some with my daughter. So follow me on Instagram so you can see the pictures of those.